to bring back the opportunity for people to come together and reconnect and create a community and enjoy making connection.
It's amazing.
To give people hope.
We've been doing some paper folding with Kaori Kato, a Japanese artist.
There's quite a lot of people down here, and I thought I'd come down and take part.
I wanted the participants to explore the material and also understand how resilient paper is. In Japan, many children learn how to do origami, like the basics mountain fold or valley fold. My art teacher recommended me, why don't you make the artwork through folding the paper? Give it a go. Never learned any textile design.
To see the design she makes is stunning.
So many different styles.
Her fashion show.
Yeah. Oh, it's very inspiring.
That method to create the pieces out of folding, that's always been like a vehicle for me to keep going with the creative world. It will be good to use their hand, get away from the digital things, which is really, I think it's missed in the contemporary culture.
It's taken me back to a meditation around the idea of just folding and the simplicity of that.
But what I've discovered is actually it's all about the process. So once you've got your steps done, then it's just the repetition. It's quite therapeutic, you kind of get lost in it really.
I want them to think about how the material can transform. It could be like a small hat or could be like a collar.
It was like tricky at the start, little bits.
This, fold that, turn that round.
She knew what she was doing like so quickly and it got easier as it went on.
You can actually meet people from different places and like show your art.
It's a really lovely opportunity for the students to experience real live artist workshop, helps them envision themselves as future artist practitioners as well.
I've enjoyed meeting new people today, people from different walks of life, and seeing some people who came here in who were very shy at first and now have got quite involved and are able to talk about maybe having a go at this on a larger scale. I think that's a nice opportunity.
To be able to connect with people and also connect with the town or cities that I've never been to through my art practice. That was really wonderful.
Messums East at the old post office Lowestoft is due to open in 2026. It will be a centre for the community for high street engagement with the arts, but also a residency for visiting artists to the area.
I hope that will bring more people to Lowestoft and increase the art and culture here.